Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 48th tutorial in the series of tutorials on Unix shell scripting. This tutorial is going to be a short one and I'm just going to discuss one command with you guys, and that's the sleep command. And sleep is used to produce time delays in the execution of your shell scripts. And without talking about sleep much, I'll just demonstrate it to you guys in a shell script. So I have my text editor here and I've saved this file in the home folder. It's called sleep and has the extension sh. And what this script file is going to do is it's going to ask the user to enter a sentence, and then it will save the sentence or the input in a variable, and then it will use for loop to iterate over the words in the variable, and it will display one word at a time on screen, but it's gonna also produce a delay between the printing of each word, right? So firstly, I'll use echo to ask the user to enter a sentence, and the colon and the /c sequence, and then I'll use read to store the input in a variable called str, right? Now I'll type in the keyword for, because I'm going to use for loop to iterate over the words in the sentence, and then I'll have to type in my control variable for the loop, which I'm going to call word, and then the keyword in, and then the sentence over which I want for to iterate. And since in this case we've stored the input in the variable str, I'll have to type in $str here, right? On the next line I'll type in the keyword do, and that's to get in the for block, and inside the for block I'm just going to use echo statement to display the words in the sentence, and the command for that is going to be echo space $word, and in the first iteration for is going to display the first word in the sentence. In the second iteration for is going to display the second word, and this is going to happen as many times as there are words in the sentence that's stored in the variable str. But as I said, we are going to use sleep in this shell script, and sleep is going to cause a delay, and I'll type in sleep space the number of seconds by which I want each iteration to be delayed, right? So the first iteration is obviously not going to have any delay because it's going to print the message before it encounters the sleep statement, but second iteration onwards sleep is going to produce some delay for us, and I'll have to specify the number of seconds by which I want the iterations to be delayed, and I'm just going to type in 2 here, right? And on the next line I'll type in the keyword done, and that will be to close my for loop, and with that my script is complete. So I'll bring up my terminal here and I'll execute the script file by typing in sh space sleep.sh, which is the name of the file. And when I press the enter key, the shell asks me to enter a sentence, and I'll just type in something random here, like Al Pacino is my favorite actor. Well, is he? How would you guys know? I don't know that myself, but he definitely is a legendary actor. And when I press the enter key here, then you see that I see the word Al immediately, but the remaining words in the sentence are being displayed to me with time lapse, right? So Al was displayed, and then the shell waited for 2 seconds, and then Pacino was displayed, and then the shell waited for 2 more seconds, then the third word was displayed, and that happened till the last word in the sentence, which is actor, got displayed, right? And once actor was displayed, the for loop ran out of words to iterate over, and that's when the script finished its execution and the dollar prompt was returned back to me. So you can play with this script. You'll obviously have to type in the code first, and it's a pretty easy script to understand, so I'm not even going to go over it again. The only thing that you have to remember, the only new thing that we've done in this script is the sleep x command, and if you type in sleep x, then what happens is sleep makes sure that the next thing that has to be done in the shell script, in this case it was the next for loop iteration, but if it was something else, for example if I had another echo statement here, or if I had something else, then that statement's execution would be delayed by as many seconds as you specify. So if you specify 5, then the execution would be delayed by 5 seconds. If it's 10, then 10. So that's what sleep does. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we'll discuss something interesting and important again. Please subscribe to my channel.